Hello everyone. Tuesday. What does it mean? I'll silence this. Tuesday means nothing to me. Actually, yesterday closed with some big buying, filled the gap, and then went up all the way. Today, I think I don't think we have lots of news today. April 22nd. Nope, nothing special. Yeah, actually, nothing special this week, to be fair with you. And yeah, VIX, I think it's 32. Okay. 32. VWAP is up. Delta is plus 5%, by the way. Volume's 200K, which is, and we are trading, to be fair with you, above value high. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, already. I'm looking for longs today. As usual, I'm drawing this just for my benefit. Also, if we are longing this, for example, here we okay, somehow feels like it's gonna break to the upside, because it really wants to do that. I could take that as a very bullish sign today, you know. It just feels like it wants to go up, but I could take it on demo, right? Could I? Just take it at one on demo.
Order filled, order cancelled, order placed.
With this
Order
stop,
cancelled.
300.
Order filled.
Okay, let's take it with demo. I don't know the target. I just don't care right now. I'm trading the new combine today. I made one bad trade on the demo, which made me lose 1,000, which is not terrible, but you know. And I'm trading on new evaluation account, which is going to be my first step towards the how to say, the new era. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna be profitable or not, but to my 10 minutes opening range candle close trade. I know that now I have lots of statistical data to back it up, but I'm not really like, I made a research on 1.5 years, and it's not still enough. I'm looking even maybe less than 1.5 years. Still, I just want to have it on my full list of everything, you know. So okay, just Wanted to see how this trade is working. Now we're seeing a red candle that is kind of going down to grab liquidity. What I don't like that I would prefer to see a green candle right here because it's above the VWAP, above yesterday's value high. So I am more bullish on that than bearish on overall today's trade. Obviously, we know that anything can happen in this market, but I would, when it's above the VWAP, to sell shorts. Okay, if for the stats that I have, it's not the most beneficial trade. But you know, we still don't know what's gonna happen. So if it's a loser, it's a loser. I don't care because I still didn't do the whole homework I wanted to do. So right now I'm trading a bit of a like preliminary statistics. That's how we could put it this way, right? Preliminary statistics, which means that I am willing to lose this combine because I need 1 week, I think, to get all my data together that I wanted. Then probably it will take me 1 day just to figure out preliminary the best of the best setups or the best trading days and non-trading days, which this Tuesday is not looking worst, but I a little bit don't like that on the Globex we've been going up and now this is a red candle and it's above the VWAP, above the value high, and it just, I would love it to be green and yeah, to change the color, and then I would be comfortable on taking this. So for example, if we would come in here, I would have to put in 3 contracts, right? So I hope it switches to green and then I will be like, I mean, still anything can happen, but psychologically I see the yes like turning around a little bit, and this guy is also looking bullish to me. So just, you know, up and over in 1 minute and we're good to go. Okay, up and over this. Just don't be too hard on, like, you can just go up. I mean, okay, you have still 1 minute to go. The delta is positive. I mean, is it seriously going to be this way? I'll have to sell it. If I sell it here, I need 5 contracts. All the 5 contracts to be in my trade. Okay, 20 seconds, boys. I don't know, that's pretty rough. 12 seconds, 11, 10, and it's going green. It's going green. 4 contracts.
Order filled.
I hope I bought it.
Order
It's
placed.
such a doji. Fuck, 1 more contract. Can I enter with 1 more?
Order placed.
right here. Please let me in with one more contract.
Order filled.
That's it. That's perfection to the
Order cancelled.
like this. Yep. This is my setup, okay? And now I'm just gonna stop loss 203, 203, 406.
Order placed.
That's it, GG's boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys. We break that. We're going up. What do we see here? Yeah. I mean, this trade could go even much more. I mean, much more. It just feels like it should be going much higher than all of this. If that trade works out in first minute, that's crazy, man. So yeah, we have this. Let's see on 30 minutes. We have lots of places to stop. This here, 200s break. Then this. Is it what? It's 300s? I mean, I would truly prefer this one to be taken out because I don't see nothing stopping us from like yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah. That's the open. That's previous day close. So from all of this, I would be seeing this market to go up to here, which is like
Order
here.
cancelled.
I don't know how, why, and when, but like I'm not thinking. I'm not. So that's the beauty now of all my trading. You know, I'm in profits. I don't know if that will. Well, if it's not breaking out, I might lose this. Okay, it's 500. It's just the risk I need. I would love to see more conviction on all of that to the upside. More of this, more of that, all thing together taken. Just you know. Actually, if we take a look at this one, I was supposed to buy here, which is 107. Okay, it's 53, right? So I might as well put it on. I don't know yet. That's rough. So now it's tough because here and then like now we're taking this part and we might not ever never touch these. Okay, you know. So now the question is, do I want to move it to break even? No, I don't want to move it to break even, okay? Okay, that's wait, it's not right. Where's the 15 minute? 15 minute Wow, that's a 15-minute range. Okay, that's a 15-minute range. And that's that. And this is the 50 Fibonacci, which can also come back to it. 1-5, like that's my entry point, you know? It can definitely come back to it. So now is the question, am I like, because my target of 1-1 is almost here. 1-2 is almost here. So now my question is,
Order cancelled.
am I should I, would I? Hmm. You know, I have to do this. 1-2. Well, that worked quite fast, didn't it, huh? I mean, this day could be a possibility of a really, okay, you got this, man. You got this. You got this. This 50s wants to be taken out. I know that. And okay, let's keep it on demo where I wanted to put my stop loss. It's just 89. That was 89. Yeah,
Order cancelled.
right here. Mm, that's funny. I mean, brother from another mother. It was like 10 points away. I mean, I'm not complaining. You know, I would just. That's. In the long run, I think it's still valid. I mean, there's always like one step more, one little step more. There's always this, you know, because so many buyers, they're still willing to buy this, and there's always one step more, which is not always the biggest step. It's most likely just the smaller step, but you know, plus the liquidity. Okay, it's not yet there. It's a frustrating, huh? It was there. It was like, okay, look, we'll be. Yeah, this. I mean, the price has to adjust, you know. I know, but nice thing about it was that I truly was looking forward to be this type of trade. I mean, this bullish, everything looked bullish to me, and I think it's like an A plus setup where you could go enter with more size or what? Yeah, those 50s just wanna be taken out, and mine is 552. So I just think that it's God damn it. It's so frustrating to see this move. This move. It's so close, you know, it's just so freaking close. It's just putting me on my nerves. It's all nerve-wracking thing. It would be pity to turn this into a loser. That's what I can tell you. That's what I can tell you for sure. It just would be so pretty pity, you know, if that's the candle and that's the like the move and you're not like going up to my target. So now you wanna maybe put it on break even or maybe not. I don't know. It's tough to say. Still just a price bouncing here and there on NQ. Oh, it's also an NQ. Wait here. There's more liquidity here, right? Which is a bit concerning. It's a huge pullback. Like there's more here and it looks like he wants to, you know, just there was so little left, you know, for you to go. God damn. God dang it. I don't like the way Yes is treating me. Like it looks like it's stopping a bit at that area, you know, but if that flushes down, then it's definitely coming back to the open area, and then I don't know. I don't know. It might be just not the best place. Now this, if that like, okay, any guess? So can we pump up? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. I just would like that would be very inconvenient if that would turn into a losing trade. That would be sad as F. Okay, it's you know, I think what I'm gonna do here is just leave you for now because it's too nerve-wracking for me. I don't want to watch this. I don't want to see. And so, okay, I'll be back soon.
Vilkmergės nealkoholinis lageras, įsimylėsi negrįžtamai. Tiesiai iš butelio geriamas, ragaujamas iš močiutės krištolo. Tiems, kurie alų ant šašlykų pila, ar ant akmenų pirty, ir valgantiems su ananasais pica, ir besijuokiantiems garsiau nei kiti. Tiems, kurie juntamus poskonius vardina, Vilkmergės nealkoholinis patartina visiems ir visokiems.
Order filled.
My target has been taken out. Let's see if at 5 minute, yeah, this liquidity, will it pump it up to resistance 300-ish or not? So that's what we have to look at, because that's what interests me on forward testing my strategy. Okay, perfect. I would say it's a perfect opening for my new combine. That's it. Yeah, and that's price is pushing up. Price is pushing up. So we'll have to see if it touches my target and if it would be even, if it's like a day where you can have the X5 profits or X4, because there's days where you can be, god damn it, so lucky to have lots of profits. Okay, huge, like X5, X4, I don't know, many. So let's see if that's the case. You know, I want to add on
Order
Venmo,
filled. Order filled.
and we are turning this one into a small win
Order cancelled.
or a decent win. Okay,
Order filled.
yeah, that's the one. How am I not like this? Okay, I'm taking. Could this be
Order
this
cancelled.
risk? I mean, like, could this be 500 risk? If that comes back down here, well, Fibonacci's. I mean, 15-minute.
Order cancelled.
I don't want it to be retested again. Okay? I just don't think it's right. If this is gonna be retested, I think I'm wrong. Okay? I still want to like leave it as it is. Yeah, let's leave it as it is. Perfect. Perfect trade on this side. Entered longs, even better price than that thing. Went straight up without looking back. Probably today is gonna be 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 risk to reward. I'm looking this level to play, my level to be in play, but we'll see actually if it's the case. So I just what I want to learn from such days, like how to get those more than 2 to 1 risk to reward. Well, yeah, this day is not still over, but it just kind of looks like it will want to go to 300s. That's where the resistance pivot is at. So, and also it like broke this, the highs of Globex, the open of yesterday. So that was like all stars aligned. I don't know how to tell you more. I don't see how this market should have, like, well, it could happen and everything, but one thing I want to highlight is that today, look, it's almost 2% up, and I think that's my level where it's gonna stop. If it doesn't stop, then the next level is in play. Definitely the next level is in play, and there's nothing to stop us now. Plus there's like a micro gap, but probably we shouldn't treat it as even a gap, right? What I want to see is touch of this. Where's my like take profit target is at? So that's on demo. And on demo, what I'm doing these days is just trading what I feel like is gonna give me good results. I'm trading what seems to be a setup. Because in the morning I took also, it was a loss. I think, yeah, I entered here with the possibility here, right? Yeah, of like rally 1, 2, 3, 3 points for a breakdown to like there's nothing stopping. Maybe here there was like I don't know. There's not really anything stopping. So I was expecting this to break on the third attempt. I've put my, that was probably here, right? Yeah, that was here, the risk on this pivot. And as you can see, it didn't work out. It worked out. I was averaging here a little bit, but my target was much lower. So that was the setup. Today, right now, this, apart from this setup, 10-minute setup, that was this, I think, money on here, right? What did we have? We had 89. I was like looking for 80, 89 here. So, but that was plus 300, about plus 300. Even resistance, maybe that would have been plus 400, maybe. It's a very like nice pull. Yeah, so today I've been like overall I've been expecting this to be if that would have like dropped down, probably yeah, I would have taken this trade, but it would have looked like weird, you know, because we have this, I mean, this, like, so many things to be broken that's keeping us from getting this, from getting upside momentum. As you can see also, it's like this is 30 minutes of 60-30 and what here. So that was above value. Like everything is fine, looking fine to the upside. I don't know why would you short it. Plus the delta is huge, positive delta.
Order cancelled.
Nice. Yeah, maybe the pivot. Maybe this, I mean, like, there's many things that can go up. But I was looking for, like, this area a bit. Then it's a weird place to be in. I mean, there's not a lot of things stopping up until this gap. So it's a bit Alright, so there's not a lot of things stopping us. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, that's what I've left some money. It's not stopping. It's not looking to stop. That's the issue. It has to do it at some point, you know, obviously. But on this trade, I could have entered with if that would have been a trade for XFA, I probably would have gone with two micros, which is 250 per trade. Why? Because I will not trade XFA upon, like, okay, I didn't pass that, by the way. Just to be clear. I still need 3 good days, which is impossible. I need 3 good days in a row. Another 2 days in a row. But from the probability side, I'm probably sitting on zeros for such a day. Okay. So, okay.